Ethereum Classic against BTC. We are here, yes sir. We have identified the falling wedge way back in, when was this? September. Yes, we identified the mountain range. We sliced through the mountain range. We've hit targets. We've overachieved our targets. Are we gonna continue lower? Potentially, right? We are expecting things to continue lower. We've been expecting things to continue lower for Ethereum Classic. Lower to where? 0.618. We are headed. Seems to me like we're headed towards 0.618. Are we gonna start reversing? We don't see any bullish strength coming in to push the price higher for Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin yet. Not yet. Hopefully eventually, but not yet. So the possibility of retracing towards 0.618 remains. So be careful about going to a trade too soon. This is still not the time to be doing anything. It's not time to be going for a trade, neither long nor short, because we are already down so much. What if we start reversing from here, right? And if you want to switch long, what if you continue collapsing all the way down, to 0.618, right? Which will be a 32% fall. What if you don't stop at 0.618? What if we go all the way down to 0.786, the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level? This will be a 60% collapse, which will be brutal, right? If you put in 10,000 over here, you would only be left with 4,000. 6,000 just evaporated into thin air. So you don't want that to happen, right? So you want to be very careful about making a trade for Ethereum Classic at this point of time, right? Against BTC especially. It's just not really looking that good. Against USD, it's still not looking good as well, because we've already sliced through the skinny pink line. Do you see this? This was a mountain range that we sliced through. Even if you do rally, I suspect that the skinny pink line would act as a resistance. It's either we're going to be bouncing hard off of it to continue lower, or if it is a soft bounce, then potentially we could be heading higher for Ethereum Classic against USDT. But the thing is, we don't know yet. We don't have the information to be making a move for Ethereum Classic, neither against BTC nor against USDT. Because as a trader, you want to have an edge. Whenever you put on a trade, you must know roughly what is happening, and if you think that things are going to go the direction that you're expecting it to go, then yes, of course you can make a trade, but not until you're sure, right? So yeah, at this point of time, we're still not sure. The sell pressure is still there, so even if you do rally, the sell pressure might just start resuming. So be careful, be very, very careful, right? This is potentially an A, B, C kind of a chart pattern, right? It could even be a 5-wave move towards the downside. All right, we could be heading towards $10 possibly for Ethereum Classic. I can't say for sure, but the possibility remains that, again, even for Ethereum Classic against USDT, we could still be heading towards the 0.618 level, right? So yeah, at this point of time, I still wouldn't be recommending any moves for Ethereum Classic yet, not until we see more clarity on the charts. All right,